Hi, we're Cate and Simon, directors of 2 award-winning businesses.
These vlogs follow us on our journey juggling the highs and lows of business and family life.
Hit subscribe and the bell and you'll be notified when we launch our next video. So the station's really quiet, it's really strange. Not many people getting on trains, not many people waiting. The car park was completely dead as well when it parked up, so it'll be interesting to see what London's like when we get down there. Train now, it's very quiet, not many staff around. I've seen 2 that pass through. Literally got the whole carriage to myself, which is great, and I would say it's probably about 20% full, so not many people at all, so it'll be interesting to see what London's like when we get down there. So here now in Houston, still really quiet. Usually this is really busy when I come here. It's just outside the station now, going to my first appointment. So just walking through London now. That's the London Centre for Nanotechnology. Interesting. Not really sure where I am. I think I'm heading in the right direction. It is much quieter today than it usually is. Usually these streets are packed, so better go now because I need to find out where my next meeting is. So I've walked about 10 minutes away from Euston Station. Look how quiet it is now. It's like literally no one around. So bizarre. This is why I love coming to London and walking around, walking to my meetings. Just literally walked past the Royal Academy of Dramatic Arts, and next to that was the London Institute of Tropical Diseases, which I find very bizarre and interesting in a weird way. Hello everybody, it is vlog number 8, I think.
I think it's 9.
Hello everybody, it's vlog number 9, definitely, because Kate's never wrong.
We've done a lot of vlogs now, I've lost count.
Right, we're going with 9 and we'll change it if not. I hope you're well. We've had another busy week, and I know every week we say we've had a busy week.
Yeah. It's been a particularly busy week this week.
Yeah, maybe we won't say we've had a busy week and just take it as standard that we've had a busy week and then we'll go from there. Have like normal is busy and then we'll adjust from there. It's been an exciting week. It's been, yeah, like Kate said, a very busy week.
I didn't say that, you said that.
Okay. You reiterated it.
Yeah. We've been all over the place this week. It's been, I think what's made it feel busy is that you've travelled a lot this week, haven't you? And I've been doing stuff that's required me to be in the office as well, which has meant that the childcare juggle has been...
Yeah, when will schools reopen so we can get rid of them for a bit? It's lovely being around our kids.
We love our children. We just don't necessarily want to be with
nice
them all the time.
It's nice to have a break, isn't it?
No, I think the thing is, we feel like it's hard on them when we're kind of dragging them around. Normally, in normal times when they're at school, we are very good at managing our time so that it doesn't impact them too much, aren't we?
Yeah.
So like I try and make sure that all of my meetings are within school hours and stuff like that, so that I'm around for them before and after school. Whereas at the moment, with them not being in school and not being able to go to, you know, grandparents and things like that, they are being, on the days where we've both got stuff on, they are being dragged around a bit, aren't they? Poor things.
Horrible, isn't it? So yeah, it's been a very interesting week as well. We've actually done a deal on Friday morning, which is a sponsorship deal that the details will be released shortly. And it's the most money we've ever spent as a business on something, which was a bit exciting and worrying.
Yeah, funny, mixed emotions. But then that afternoon
we then
Simon
closed
went
our
in.
biggest deal ever as well, which is 3 times bigger than our current biggest deal, which again is exciting. So it's been a very interesting and very busy week.
Yeah, it was. I liked that on Friday though. We brought in double what we spent, which is always good. But I like that flow. I like spending and bringing in. Feels good. It's the natural way of things.
So yes, it's been a very interesting week. I was down in London. That was very interesting. We've been in North Wales. We're seeing a lot more of the economy starting to open up again now. We're helping a lot more businesses reopen, which is nice to see as well.
I've done 2 webinars this week, which were to do with businesses reopening safely. So Simon goes out and kind of does the practical side of things of advising and assisting, and I kind of do the I was going to say attention-seeking bit. That's not the
Brand awareness.
Yeah,
Yeah,
awareness.
but you've been speaking to, like, was it over 100 people on webinars this week?
Yeah.
So that's been really interesting. It's also been very interesting. I've spoke to a number of clients and suppliers and just people that have rang me up that have said that they like our YouTube channel, that they love watching it, which is interesting because sometimes we post videos out and they don't seem to get many views, they don't seem to get many comments, and then I'll just be chatting to someone. I mean, I was chatting to someone on, I think it was Thursday, who I've never spoken to before, and the first thing he said was, I love your YouTube channel and all your videos and things, which is really nice. So we appreciate everyone that takes the time to watch these videos.
Yeah, so it's only been a brief video from us this week because we've not had much time to do our usual kind of tips and that sort of thing. But yeah, stay tuned because we've got some exciting announcements coming up.
I think my tip is to aim big, aim high. You may think, oh, there's no point in going for that contract; it's too big for us, which is not the case. Aim there. You may not get it first time. It's taken us 5 years to get to this level of contracts that we've got, and it also, we've been after this client since October last year as well. So it's not something that's going to happen overnight. But aim there, aim high.
Yeah. If you'd have told us when we first started Rhino that we'd be pulling in contracts of this size, I think we both would have just laughed, wouldn't we? And likewise, if you'd have told us that we were going to be spending the amount of money we did on Friday, I think I may have actually thrown up. Whereas now it's just like, it's don't get me wrong, it's still a big deal, but it's something that we feel quite proud of. So So
thanks for watching. Please subscribe and have a good week.